Good evening and welcome to the World First Weekly Update. Well, the Australian dollar has been subjected to a lot of sovereign risk over the last 7 days. We've seen the Aussie take a bit of a beating from about Monday when we saw the Aussie come off the back of speculation that the Irish may default on their sovereign debt. This has prompted a lot of speculation about just how the Eurozone will go in refinancing debt and just how capable they are in getting their finances back in check. On Tuesday evening we saw a skirmish in Korea between North Korea and South Korea, and that's sent the Aussie dollar lower via equity markets, which fell about 1.5% on Tuesday evening. This was recovered last night, however, with the S&P up about 1.5%, and this is really off the back of some really strong US data, economic data, which has suggested that the US recovery is definitely on track. Across the board, the data was positive for risk, and we had relatively poor housing data. However, we have seen some good jobless figures and some weak durable goods orders. In Australia over the last week, we've seen the wage price index was really the only piece of data that came out. The wage price index came out much better than expected, coming out at 3.5%. This was the most impressive growth that we've seen in the wage price index over the last 2 years. The other piece of news locally that had the Aussie rallying higher was the successful float of the QR National IPO. We saw the issue price come out at $2.55, and that prompted the Aussie to have a bit of a weight behind it going into this week. Overnight we've seen the Aussie consolidate around the low 98 levels. However, we have seen the Aussie Euro recover well. We're currently tracking around the mid 63 levels off the back of this speculation about the European crisis. If you'd like an update on the market, or if you'd like to lock in a trade, don't hesitate to get in touch. Enjoy your day.